You ready? Okay.
Hi, video. Look at Daddy Pop,
Are you
Mama.
recording?
Look at Daddy Pop, Mama, and I almost dropped it, but it's okay. And Mom and Daddy Pop. Look at Santa. Love you, videos. Hello.
Are you ready? Okay. Welcome back to another unboxing of some CGC comics.
Can you put that? I want to take a picture of it. What's the name?
Okay. You get it? Okay, let's see what's inside. Now these, alright, watch yourself, baby. Now these,
I take a picture.
watch yourself. Daddy, open it first.
Take a picture with the knife. Unbox. Okay. I love Robo.
Alright, let's see what we got here.
Can I take a picture of Laura?
So, these are some of the better books that we sent out. Oh my god, I don't even remember, a while ago.
There.
I'm really excited about this.
I really like this camera.
Okay, you ready? You ready?
That's the name of the show about World soon.
So first up, we have
I'm going to take a picture first.
Marvel Spotlight
Let me take a picture.
32 for Spider-Woman.
Set it down and let me take a picture.
You got that?
Got it.
Sweet, sweet, sweet. Next up, Avengers 196 First Taskmaster 9.0. Laura.
That's supposed to hold somewhere like this.
Oh, what this does.
Where do you put that?
I want to show you.
Oh, you put it on your neck?
Yes.
I was trying to do that. Oh, like,
Come here. There you go.
let me take a picture of it.
Okay, so next up, we got She-Hulk 8.5, number 1. Really hot book right now.
Got a picture of it?
Marvel Premiere
Daddy, I'm just getting so many
47.
pictures.
First Scotland 9.4. And then last but not least, Daredevil 168 9.6 First Selection. What do you think of that? Alright, so that's it for the unboxing for right now. Thanks for joining us.
Wear your mask. Hand sanitize.
Actually, don't do that, actually. She's just joking.
No.
No, we're not. Alright.
Stay safe. Goodbye.